So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD will be giving us for the day. Starting with the trend right here guys, if you take a look at this your GBP USD, you can see that market is literally on a downtrend. That is the overall movement. Now, first of all, I did a prediction for you guys yesterday, and I told you guys that GBP USD will give us a bearish move for the day, right? I told you guys that we should see GBP USD give us a bearish move for the day, and market what it did give us that bearish move. Now you can see that our prediction was absolutely correct. You can see that once we say that markets will move a certain way, markets will definitely move that way. So basically, we are very much correct in our prediction. Now, if you have to zoom it out, this is the trend on GBP USD. GBP USD is on a rangy market move. So market was able to rally up to tap this resistance, right? When it got to the resistance, we rejected from the resistance and tried to tap our support, rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance, rejected from the resistance and jumped back to tap the support, also rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance, rejected from the resistance and tried to tap the support level, right? The market rejected from the support level and came back to tap this resistance. Now that the market has gotten to this resistance, it is now rejecting, so we would expect it to continue downward till it is able to tap our support level. So guys, this is to tell you that a bearish move, right, is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. GBP USD should be giving us a movement to the downside. That is what we should be expecting. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame right here, guys. Pay attention to this. This is our low and this is the lower high, right? This is also the new lower low. Here comes the lower high. This is also a new lower low, right? The new lower low. Now this is our lower high right here. So this is the lower high, right? So with this movement, right, we should be expecting market to what? Drop. We should expect market to continue to drop till it is able to take out this low right here, thereby giving us a new lower low. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your GBP USD, you want to be going for the sale. So a bearish move is what you should be expecting for the day. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I did the update. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comment, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.